Here I have FAIRPHONE 3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly, let's open Settings, then go to the Apps and Notifications section, Advanced, Special App Access, and here you can find Install Unknown Apps. You can install unknown apps through all these apps. Let's pick, for example, Chrome, and then just tap on the slider here, and now you can install through the Chrome all of these unknown apps which you can't install through other applications. All you like. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.